I've had this water flosser for years. Don't lie, I know you guys all have the same one. It's fine. It works for me. I use it every single day. You guys know me. I'm not the type of person to just replace something because something new comes out. But when I place this water flosser next to this one, I realize something. This is the one I've owned. It's been consistent. However, it takes up a lot of space. It doesn't fold up. I can't fit it in my travel case when I'm traveling. And as a busy mom who travels with kids, every inch of space matters. What's up, guys? It's Angela and welcome back to my channel. You guys always see me brushing my teeth and doing my tongue scraping in my get ready with me videos, but what I don't show on camera is me using my water flosser because this thing is not pretty to look at. It's not fun to show on camera, and that's why I was so excited when I found the usmile C10 water flosser. The first thing you'll notice is the size. For comparison, this is the size of my cell phone. It's slimmer, lighter, easier to use, and just as powerful. Now let's compare these two. My current water flosser has this standard nozzle. I think it did come with some other types of nozzles, but I've lost them all. These are the usmile nozzles. They came in this lovely case. I just love things. I think all things like this should come in a case. It just feels easier to store and just more sanitary. You can see the difference in the tips. This one actually sits along your teeth to help guide the water, whereas this one you're kind of just turning it on and hoping for the best. You can really see the difference in the tips there. Just feels a little bit more controlled with this style. So both are strong. I'm not going to pretend that this one doesn't work and doesn't produce a powerful stream. I don't love clutter, and this just makes way more sense. Super easy to fill up. You expand it and then open up the side here, filling it up with water, just like that. Now that I've filled them both up, let's talk about the different modes. The old water flosser that we're used to using generally has 1 or 2 modes. The one I have has 2 modes, and it says it's either 1 line or 2 lines, whatever that means. The usmile actually has 4 different modes, and I love that it's clearly labeled on here what they all mean. The massage mode is a low pulse energy water flow for kind of a gum massage, or if you have extremely sensitive teeth. So this is great if you're a beginner and haven't used a water flosser before. Next up is the gentle mode, and this is like the medium water flow with a 3-second gradual increase. Again, really good if you have sensitive teeth or if you're a beginner and haven't used it before. Then we've got the standard, which is what I'm mainly going to be using. It's the high pulse, high circulation water flow with the gradual increase. And this is suitable for people that are just trying to get anything stuck between their teeth. And then last but not least, we've actually got an intense mode. And this is a high pulse continuous water flow. And this is for deep cleaning for experienced users. It's quite intense. It also has a memory function, so if you find yourself using standard mode or intense mode and you really like it, then the next time you turn it on, it will start back in that mode, so you know where you left off. So both of the water flows are obviously really strong, but the usmile C10 uses a precision pulse water stream, and it gets rid of 99.99% of plaque. It feels super powerful, but more gentle on my gums. Perfect, again, if you have sensitive teeth or you're a beginner to water flossing. Okay, I just finished using it. My mouth feels clean, my teeth feel clean, they look great. It's definitely less chaotic than using my regular water flosser. I find that it feels more controlled, and it's just a lot easier to hold than this one as well. Just love it. The last thing I'll say about the design is that you actually take the bottom compartment off and you can rinse them out and dry it. This one, the bottom does come off, but there's no way to properly drain it and rinse it out, and I just feel like it's not very sanitary compared to the usmile. And once this one is dry and good to go, it just looks sleek on your countertop, takes up less room. I'm so excited about it. All right, time for my honest verdict. I've used this one for years, it's fine, there's nothing wrong with it, but when you put them side to side, this one just feels more intentional, it's more compact, it's more thought out, it just feels like a better design. And when something is part of your daily routine, little details make a huge difference. It feels like the difference between something that is supposed to clean well versus something that's designed to clean well. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down below. I'll have all the information in the description, and I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.